Hello everyone, I am Ashwini teacher from Srimati RN Seth Vidya Mandir, Andheri East. I have prepared my short film on the concept of force and its types for the students of class 6. This short film has been prepared to participate in Navnirman Science Education Short Film Festival 2021. Let's quickly begin with the topic force and its types. Suppose you are asked to move a box. How will you do it? You will either push the box or you will pull it. In other words, you are applying force to it. What is force? Push or pull on an object is called a force. Force comes into play due to interaction. When there is an interaction of an object with another, it results in force. Force can have different effects on an object. Force moves an object at rest. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the speed of the moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change the shape or size of an object. Forces can be classified mainly into two types: contact forces and non-contact forces. When the interacting objects are physically in contact with each other, they are termed as contact forces. Whereas, when the interacting objects are not in direct contact with each other, they are termed as non-contact forces. Let us understand the types of contact forces. Muscular force. The person here is lifting the weight by using the power of his muscles. When force is applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. Roll a ball on the floor. After some time, it stops. What makes the ball stop? There is a force of friction between the surface of the ball and the surface of the floor. Friction is the force that resists motion when the surface of one object comes in contact with the surface of another. Types of non-contact forces. Magnetic force. Take an iron object and bring a magnet near it. What do you observe? The object gets stuck to the magnet. The force exerted by a magnet is called a magnetic force. Take a plastic comb and rub it on your dry hair for a minute. Bring the comb near the tiny pieces of paper. What do you observe? The pieces of paper are attracted to the comb. The force exerted by electrically charged materials is called electrostatic force. Throw an object upwards and see what happens next. After reaching to some height, it comes down back to the ground. Do you know why? Because our earth exerted some force on it and pulled it down. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. The unit for measuring force is called Newton. It was named after the famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Let's get ready for the quiz. First question is: a push or pull on an object is called. Your options are pressure, force, velocity, time. And the correct answer is option B, force. Next question is: a force can. Your options are make an object move, change the shape of the object, slow an object down, or option D, all of the above? Here comes the next question. Which of the following is a contact force? Your options are magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, or muscular force. The correct answer for this question is option D, muscular force. Which force is applied for lifting a heavy iron object with a crane? Your options are frictional force, muscular force, magnetic force, or gravitational force. And the correct answer for this question is option C, magnetic force. Force is measured in. Your options are meter, Celsius, kilogram, or Newton. The correct option is option D, Newton. Force is measured in Newton. I hope you have enjoyed the quiz. So here we have understood the concept of force and its types. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for watching my video.